All these problems are from Advanced Engineering Mathematics by Chris Jack. Okay, maybe these two are actually worked out problems. The next set of problems are all the exercise problem. One specific thing is, yeah, I want to evaluate it now. The integral to be evaluated is along the path 3 into x square plus y square. This is not changing. dl a along the path y is equal to x from 0 1 to 1 0. Taking the positive sense is what they told actually for us. 0 to 1, lower to upper limit, I will go everywhere. That's what is specified in the textbook. I will not take it as 1 to 0. Doesn't matter. Anyway, ultimately, in our examinations and all, they will typically specify. Don't worry about it. Okay. Now, I had to take the problems from good textbook. I took them right from Chris Jack. What is this now? Integral. Check it. 0 to 1 for x. X is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. The point is 0 1 to 1 0. Along y is equal to x. What is this? 0 0 to 1 1, no? Along y is equal to x, can it be 0 1 to 1 0? I really did not take it properly. Can it be 0 1 to 1 0? Hey, quick. And y is equal to x, no, it cannot be. It can be 0 0 to 1 1. And then what is it? 0 to 1, 3 into x square plus x squared, because y is equal to x, root of 1 plus dy by dx is 1 squared, dx is equal to 0 to 1, 6 root 2, no? 6 root 2 x squared dx is 6 root 2 x cube by 3 from 0 to 1 is 2 root 2, correct? Even if you go from 0 to 1 for y also, it will be the same. A. Next B. Y is equal to minus x from minus 1, 1 to 1 minus 1. X from minus 1 to plus 1. Y is equal to minus x. What is the integral now? Integral minus 1 to plus 1. 3 into x square plus x squared again. Root of 1 plus 1 squared again. Why? Minus 1 squared, of course. dy by dx is minus 1. Y is equal to minus x. Y squared is x squared only. dy is equal to minus dx, which is equal to 3 6 root 2, no? 6 root 2 integral -1 to +1 minus 6 root 2 x squared dx, which is if y is equal to minus x. What is this now? Minus 2 root 2 into 1 plus 1. Correct? X cubed. Upper limit 1 minus of minus 1, which is equal to minus 4 root 2 now. Yes. Yeah, understood now? X cubed by 3. That 6 by 3 became 2. So this is now minus 4 root 2. See. Y is equal to 3x. For your practice only. These are all simple problems only, right? 0, 0 to 2, 6. Natural.
So one question. So y equal to minus x. So dy by dx is.
No, square might is. In the root dy by dx squared.
Square.
Oh, minus d. Wait.
Minus d.
No, why minus dx I put? Sorry? It's dx only, sorry. Correct only, no? Hey, did not tell. Please keep watching. Hey, why minus dx? Minus x I put? No. Dy by dx, that's all. Into dx. This is 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct only. Dy by dx is minus 1. Okay. Now this is integral 0 to 2. You can check the other way around also. 3 into x square plus 9x squared root of 1 plus 3 squared divided by dx is equal to 3 dx. 3 into 10 times root 10, correct? Integral 0 to 2 x squared dx is 10 root 10 into 4. X squared dx is x cubed by 3. 1 3 will go. 10 root 10. X cubed is 8. Okay. This is 80 root 10. Correct only? Check it once before going to the next problem. D. It is given like this. On y-axis from 0, 0 to 0, 1, zero comma 0 to 0, 1 on y-axis. Please see this. Then parallel to x-axis 1 comma 1. What is the equation of y-axis? X equal to 0. What is the equation of this line? Y is equal to 1. On x is equal to 0 line, y goes from 0 to 1, and on y is equal to 1 line, x goes from 0 to 1. I want to integrate it. How to integrate? Integral y is equal to 0 to 1, y limits. 3 into 0 square plus y squared root 1 plus dx by dy whole squared. X is equal to 0, dx by dy is what? 0. 1 plus 0 squared dy plus x limits. X is equal to 0 to 1. 3 into, x square plus 1. Very, very important for us. We are going along y is equal to 1 line. On that particular line, y is everywhere 1 into root of 1 plus y is equal to 1 dy by dx is 0 squared dx. Y cubed from 0 to 1 plus this is 1 anyway. 3y squared is y cubed by 3, right? Y cubed from 0 to 1 plus 3 into x cubed by 3 plus x from 0 to 1. Correct? Is equal to 1 plus 3 times 1 by 3 plus 1 is 4 by 3 is equal to 5. Check it, please. E. You do E, we will see. E, just try. What is that? Along on x-axis from 0, 0 to 1, 0, y is equal to 0. And parallel to y-axis, x is equal to 1 from 1, 0 to 1, 1. And we discussed everything actually. X is equal to x constant, y constant, right? What is this now? X from 0 to 1, 3 into x square plus 0 dy by dx is equal to 0 root of 1 plus 0 squared dx y is equal to 0, dy by dx is 0 plus y is equal to 0 to 1, 3 into 1 plus y squared y, x is equal to 1, x squared is 1 squared. 1 plus y squared root of again 1 plus 0 squared dy. Will answer be different? No. It's x cubed from 0 to 1 plus 3 into y cubed by 3 plus y integral from 0 to 1, because of which this again 1 plus 3 into 4 by 3 is equal to 5. F. Clockwise along the circle, x square plus y squared is equal to 1 from 0, 1 to 1, 0. Unit circle. I will just follow the rule. clockwise from clockwise 0 1 0 1 to 1 0. X is equal to 0 to 1. Correct? Integral x is equal to 0 starting with for the curve to 1. X limits are 0 to 1, 0. 3 into x square plus y squared is 1 minus x squared. Function is same. Y squared is 1 minus x squared because x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. Into root of 1 plus, for this path we derived. For x square plus y squared is equal to 1, 2x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. I think I spoke about these differentiations, right? 2x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. So dy by dx is minus x by y. All squared is x square by y squared dx. Dy by dx is x minus x by y. Dy by dx is equal to minus x by y. So ultimately what is this? Integral x is equal to 0 to 1. X squared are getting cancelled out. 3. Into 1 by root of x square plus y squared by y squared is what? X square plus y squared is equal to 1. Please check it. Y is what? 1 by root of 1 minus x squared dx. Okay, 1 by root of 1 minus x squared. What is the integral? Sin inverse x.
Yes, sir.
I'll just show because there was a gap. Put x is equal to sin theta. Dx is equal to cos theta d theta. Dx by d theta is cos theta. So dx is equal to cos theta d theta. Root of 1 minus x squared is equal to root of 1 minus sin squared theta is equal to cos theta. So it is a 3 into integral of dx is cos theta d theta by root of 1 minus sin squared theta is cos theta, because of which it is 3 into d theta. What is d theta? 3 theta is equal to 3 sin inverse of x. Limits are from 0 to 1. Or you can as well create the limits are from 0 to pi by 2 to 0 you have to put. Now 3 sin inverse of x. What is this now? Correct only? Integral d theta. Sin inverse of x is? Sin inverse of 1 is pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2. The limits also will become 0 to pi by 2 only for us. Directly you can say x is equal to 0, sin theta, theta is equal to 0. X is equal to 1, sin theta, theta is equal to pi by 2. Substitution limits. 3 theta is 3 pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 is also 3 pi by 2. Or if you want to go back to x limits only, I can always go like this and then again get the same 3 pi by 2. Next one. Counterclockwise from 1 0 to 0 1. counterclockwise from 10 to 01. What is that? It's given. What to do? I'll take y limits. Y is equal to 0 to 1. X is positive. X is positive. What to do? Integral y is equal to 0 to 1. Three into 1 minus y square plus y squared, because x squared is plus y squared is equal to 1. Root of 1 plus dx by dy whole squared. What is dx by dy? Minus y by x automatically. Dy by dx is minus x by y. Dx by dy is minus y by x squared. 1 plus y squared by x squared dx. I want to show you something actually here. What is this ultimately? Integral 0 to 1, 3, root of x square plus y squared by x is 3 pi by 2. Oh, path independent. Huh? What is a path independent, man? Only one path I have taken.
Going from A to B or coming from B to A?
Clockwise, counterclockwise. Here, this function should not make any difference actually. Why it should not make any difference? Why it should not make any difference? Look at it once again. When rho L is given and rho L DL is being evaluated, it makes no difference for us. Rho L is not direction dependent. Integral DL should be constant. Check it. Fourth problem. This is the form. There is no DL. There is no DL here. Okay. Integral C y squared dx minus x squared dy. This is actually what? V bar is equal to y squared ax minus x squared ay. DL bar is equal to dx ax plus dy ay. V bar dot DL bar now becomes y squared dx. Please remember this. Y squared dx minus x squared dy is to be evaluated. Counterclockwise along the circle from 10 to 01. Now these functions, check it now. Counterclockwise along the circle. What to do now? What is that I have to do here? There is no DL now. Dx, dy are there. I want to follow the path. Yeah, please observe here. It's not integral there. DL went off. Dx and dy are there. Now, I should not, because I am supposed to follow a path. I will repeat the statement. I am supposed to follow a path along which x and y have a specific relation. I should never actually do this integration as y squared dx integral minus x squared integral x squared dy. Whenever I am trying to follow a path and evaluate it along a line, I should convert this into the integral as a function of x only or y only along, see, number 1, along x square plus y squared is equal to 1 from specific 1 0 to 0 1. Carefully listen. What is it along in terms of x? Tell me. Along this x square plus y squared is equal to 1. What is the relation between dx and dy?
dx is minus dy.
Huh? How, man?
1 to 0, 0 to 1. Y is minus x.
No. I know that x square plus y squared is equal to 1. Y dy by dx y dy by dx is equal to plus, sorry, 2y dy by dx, check it, plus 2x is equal to 0. Correct? Now I want to evaluate it as a function of x. What is that I have to do? Integral x is equal to 1 to 0. Y squared is what? 1 minus x squared dx minus x squared minus x squared
minus x by
dy is what? Minus x by y dx.
Right.
Which is ultimately what? Integral 1 to 0 1 minus x square plus x cubed by root of 1 minus x squared. Correct only? Correct? Minus plus x cubed by root of 1 minus x squared.
Sir.
Dx. Is equal to integral 1 to 0 1 minus x squared dx plus integral 1 to 0 x cubed by root of 1 minus x squared dx is what? Good integral, if you can. This integral is x minus x cubed by 3 from 1 to 0, because of which it is minus 1 plus 1 by 3 is minus 2 by 3. First integral. Next integral, how to evaluate?
X is equals to sine theta, then it will be form of
Excellent.
sine.
So if you put x is equal to sine theta, 1 minus x squared is equal to cos theta, dx is equal to cos theta d theta, because of which it will become, I will not put the limits, sine cubed theta d theta. Correct? Put x is equal to sine theta, x cubed is sine cubed, dx is equal to cos theta d theta. Root of 1 minus sine square theta is cos theta, because of which cos theta, which is there in the numerator and denominator, gets cancelled out. Sine cube theta from because x is equal to sine theta, pi by 2 to 0. If x is equal to 1, sine theta is equal to 1 pi by 2, 0. How to evaluate sine cube theta d theta? There is a reduction formula. Or whenever I want to, this is one of the important integrals for us, whatever the way in which you want to do, I will write it as sine theta into sine square theta, 1 minus cos square theta d theta, which is integral sine theta d theta minus integral sine theta cos square theta d theta. Check it. This is minus cos theta. What about this? Put cos theta is equal to t minus sine theta d theta is equal to dt, because of which
T square.
plus t dt is t square dt is
T cube.
t cube by 3, which is, check it. Correct only. Theta from pi by 2 to 0. Hey, what is the answer? Cos pi by 2 is 0, the lower limit will not come into picture at all. Minus 1 plus 1 by 3. Is 1 more minus 2 by 3. Because of which overall function is
Minus 4 by.
minus 4 by 3. Is the answer. Next one. Hey, you try to, if I try to evaluate B, clockwise along the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 from 0, 1 to 1, 0. Clockwise it goes from 0 to 1, right? What will happen to it if it is 0 to 1 of same function? Earlier it was 1 to 0. E bar dot, this f bar dot dl bar, if you reverse the direction, definitely there will be a difference in the sign. 0 to 1 and 1 to 0 are not different, are different. When it is royal DL, whether it is 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, it should not give me different answers, right? Check it once. When it is a work done for a given vector, if I go to the right, if it is work done, if I go to the left, it is work done by the field, not by the vector. Very, very important things for us. Work against the force it is actually. 0 to 1 if I do, 0 to 1 y squared dx minus x squared dy definitely is equal to 4 by 3. Because 1 to 0 of the same function give me minus 4 by 3. Now, one point I want you to show. I want you to see now. See. Participate in discussion if you can. 0, 1 to 1, 0 along x square plus y squared is equal to 1 in counterclockwise direction. What is the path? First of all, try to write the path. Excellent problem, I'm telling you. This could be a good problem actually. What is the path? 0, 1 to 1, 0. I want you to see this. For me, the path is fixed. I will start here. 0, 1 to 1, 0 means along the circle to 1, 0. I want you to see this. This is definitely minus 1, 0. I have to go along this path. Same integral. Please think about it. First path. X limits I'll take 0 to minus 1. Integral 0 to minus 1 x squared. What is that? Y squared. Y squared is what? 1 minus x squared. Correct? Y squared dx only, right? Dx minus x squared dy. What is dy? Dy is? Hey, what is dy?
Minus x by y.
X plus dy by dx is equal to 0. Dy is equal to 2y divided dx, correct?
Yes.
Dy is equal to minus x by y dx. Pakka. Plus x by y dx. Plus integral minus 1 to plus 1 along this path, lower side. 1 minus x squared dx plus x cubed by y dx. Please see this. In the range from 0 to minus 1, I know that y is equal to root of 1 minus x squared. When it is root, it is plus or minus. We know that. In all the previous cases, we were there in the first quadrant only. As long as we are there in the first and second quadrants, y is plus root of 1 minus x squared. In the third and fourth quadrants, y is
Minus.
minus. That is the beauty. You should be very careful when you are writing y as a root, a square root function. In the given problem, you have to see whether that particular fellow is positive or negative. whenever root comes, we know very well that the circle is essentially will be there above and below, left and right. So this basically comes down to integral 0 to minus 1 minus x squared plus x cubed by root of 1 minus x squared dx plus definitely from minus 1 to plus 1, that is where you are basically making it different. 1 minus x squared minus x cubed by root of 1 minus x squared dx. Please see this. This is a good problem actually for us.